It's amazing to me how when I travel, I bring back a little bit of the flavor of wherever I've been into my work. The last time I was in Tulum, I spent time in nature, in the jungle, in the canopy of the trees. And reflecting back to the design work, I saw it became warmer, more nature-bound, more biophilic. And just this sense of wonder began to infiltrate all the micro design decisions that I was making along the way. As I look back in my portfolio, I see that Tulum is there, coming through me and making its way into the lives of those I was working with at the time, hopefully providing a sense of peace and calm for them the way my experience in Tulum changed me.